Hello friends, my name is Rokni Abhishek and today's topic is data binding. Data binding in web development. Data binding is a technology used in web development framework to establish a connection between the data and application and the UI component that display that the data. It enable automatic synchronization between two ensure data changes in the data are reflected in a UI and changes made in the UI also affect the data. This helps developer create dynamic and interactive web application with less manually effort. Uh, there are many type of data binding. First is one-way data binding. From data to UI, in type of binding, changes in the application data are reflected in the UI. When data changes, the corresponding and UI are updated to display the new data. This is useful data for information user real time data update. Second is two-way data binding from data to UI. Similar to one-way binding, changes in the data update in the UI. From UI to data, user input additional two-way binding capture to input UI element, input field in checkbox, and the updating in the data. Keep the UI data is allowing a seamless interaction. Advantage of data binding: reduction biological code. Data binding reduced to need the manually DOM manipulation. Developers and don't need to write as the much code update when UI changes. Next is the simplicity code logics, data binding abstraction and corresponding of UI update, allowing developers to focus more than application logic and on UI manipulation. Third is consistency. With data binding and UI update are considered an automatic reducing the changes of error due to the manual update. Fourth is real time updates. Data binding enables to the real time of the UI data changes. This is particularly useful application and display the live data. Next is framework and libraries. Servlet web development frameworks and libraries in correct data bindings. Next is Angular. Angular is a compressive framework that provide both one way and two-way data binding. Its template syntax it offer to the various tool of manipulate the component state in UI interaction. This is all about data binding. Thank you.